One of the most coveted hallmarks of beauty is long, fluttering dark eyelashes. While some are just born blessed with gorgeous lashes, the rest of us must find ways to catch up. Mascara is just a quick fix to lasting a problem. There are several ways to encourage lashes to grow thicker, longer and healthier. Fortunately, it's easy to improve the look of thin, pale eyelashes with these handy hacks and tips. These techniques and hacks outline different home remedies you can use to enhance your natural lashes. Number 1. Apply oil to your lashes. Natural oils such as castor oil, coconut oil, and olive oil moisturize the lash hairs and support healthy growth. Apply the oil to your lashes using a clean mascara wand or cotton swab. While the oil hydrates the lash hairs and prevents them from falling out, it also darkens the eyelashes, giving the appearance of longer, thicker lashes. Number 2. Moisturize with aloe vera. Another DIY method of hydrating and strengthening dry, brittle lashes is using aloe vera gel. Both soothing and moisturizing, aloe vera boosts collagen, which nourishes the eyelashes. In lieu of aloe vera gel, you can apply a small amount of petroleum jelly to your lashes to hydrate and moisturize the hair follicles. Using these natural remedies to keep your eyelashes moisturized can help prevent breakage. Number 3. Treat with a lash growth serum. Applying a growth serum can help treat hair loss and result in longer lashes. Formulated with nutrients that support hair growth, such as peptides and antioxidants, lash serum helps stimulate the growth process, leading to healthy, long eyelashes. To apply an eyelash growth serum, swipe the wand of the serum across your lash line. Consult your dermatologist or eye doctor before incorporating a new eyelash serum into your beauty routine. Number 4. Use a lash boosting mascara. Another way to get long eyelashes is to apply lash boosting mascara. These nutrient-rich mascaras contain some of the same key ingredients as lash growth serum, helping to add length and volume to your lashes. Number 5. Consider supplements. Both collagen and biotin support the body's hair growth process. If your lashes are weak and thin, consider taking collagen or biotin supplements. Before adding new supplements to your routine, consult your doctor to determine which supplement is best for you and review any potential side effects. Your eyelashes frame your eyes and have a big impact on your look. To keep your eyelashes looking their best, adopt your own eyelash care routine. Having stubby lashes isn't the end of the world. There are many ways to encourage new lash growth and maintain happy, healthy eyelashes. Take care of yourself, and now up to another video. Peace out!